Good evening, student. Today we'll learn how to use mail merge. Okay. Today I am going to show you how to use mail merge using LibreOffice. Okay. So as you know that in businesses or in official matters, it is often required to send letters, right? With similar information to different peoples. The letters requires the name and address of each recipient to be printed on the top. Understood or not? So changing the address each time would be a very long process and a wastage of time and effort. Yes or no? So mail merge features is used to combine a data source with with the main documents. It saves our time and energy to send letters at multiple address. So let us start how to use the mail merge. So first of all, I will click on LibreOffice 7.0. Then I choose LibreOffice Writer. After this, as you can see, here is a tool options is there. So click on the tool options, then click on the mail merge wizard, right? Then here some steps are there. You have to follow some steps. So selecting starting document. Select starting document. You have to select starting document for the mail merge. Okay, so you have to choose this first option, use the current document, then click on next. Then there are two options are there, letter and email messages. You have to type as a letter, you can to send as a email message. Okay, so better we choose email message, sorry, letters. Then we click on next. Then here is the main things are there. Select address list, this one. So you have to click on select address list. Then you have to click on create. Okay, you have to click on create. Let me click on create. So there are a lot of predefined things are there. These are the predefined things are there. So click on customize. So then what you have to do, you delete all the things which you don't need. Okay, so you can delete all these things. Understood or not? Or you can add all these things. Understood? Let me delete some things which is not required for me now. Let me keep these things. Okay, country not required, zip not required, state not required. Okay, after this I will rename these things address. Okay, and click on OK. First name, last name. Okay, then title I will remove this also. Okay, first name, last name, only I will write name. Okay, not required to first name or last name, only I required to type name. Okay, then click on OK. Name, address, city, state. Okay, these things. Then click on add. Okay, elements name, it asking one elements name. I will not add anything, I will simply click on OK. Then I will put the details to whom we are going to send. Okay, Anil. Okay, then address Mahul Pali, then city Sundargarh, then state Odisha. Okay, then new. Then Subhas, I will Subhas address Kenapali. Okay, city Sundargarh, state Odisha, right? Then new. Then what I will type, Barsa. Then address Latripada, city Sundargarh, state Odisha. Then click on new. Sangram, address city, then Odisha, right? So I am going to type 4 information in address information. Then I will click on OK. Understood? Then I will save this file into my desktops. I will click these files as known as, I will save these files, uh, details, details. Okay, details. Then click on save. It will save details. Then I will click on OK. Okay, then I will click on next. Then what I will do here, I will choose some general salutation. Okay, to whom it concern, dear friends. Okay, I will choose this, dear friends. Okay, then what I will do, match cases. Suppose I want to choose these options. I will choose not, I will choose this, not required. Just click on finish, next. Then see, as you can see here, dear friend, then click on up, 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 up. Okay, then click on finish. So this will come. After this, how can you see, nothing is there in this field. Okay, so after this, what you have to do, you have to type here data source, or you can go to view, you can click this. Okay, you can better you go to view, then click on this. Okay, then you have choose this table details. As you see, these are the things we have typed, right? So what you have to do, I will type here, I will put here, what put, I will put here, I will type address, address, then city, then state. Okay, these are the things. Then what I will do, I will drag this and drop here. Okay, simply drag this and drop here. Understood or not? Then what I will do, simply drag this and drop here. Here also same thing, simply drag this and drop here. Then what I will choose here, I will choose this name and drag this. Okay, then I will give some space here. I will give some space, dear name. So this will dynamically generate. Okay, then dear friends, I hope you are fit and fine. You are fit and fine after long time writing this message. Writing this message because there is an marriage ceremony there is a marriage ceremony of my sister is going to be held on 25th09/2020. So I request to kindly attend the thanks, your friend with. Okay, so you can make this bold, control B, and even this also control B. Okay, and you can make this also control B. Okay, control B, let it be control B. Control B means bold. Okay, and you can make this also color to look and feel beautifully. Okay, you can make it bigger size also. Let me do its bigger size. Okay, let me this. Okay, then after this writing, what you have to do? After this writing, what you have to do? See, only this much we have written. Okay, after this, what we have to do? We just have to save this. So how to save? Control S. Okay, then you have to choose the path, then saving, sent, not this is mail mail merge document, whatever the name you want to choose, you can save it. Okay, then I will save it, this file, with the name of mail merge doc. Okay, in the desktop. Next, click on save. Okay, now the document will save. After this, what you have to do? See, this file has saved on my desktop, so I will open this one, then I will show you how to do this. After this, what you have to do? Then click on simple print option. You can click on print, or you can choose the control P option. I will click, then you have to choose yes. Click on yes. Then these are shown. Okay, then I will click on file options. Okay, then save as single document or save as individual document. If you want to print it individually, it will print individual. Okay, let me choose the first one. Okay, then click on OK, then click on choose the desktop, sent. Okay, then click on save, then it will print the 4 documents. Okay, see, sent file has created. So if you open this, you can see the magic of mail merge. Okay, see, address Mahulpally, city Sundargarh, state Odisha. Then your first name will come Anil, you can see here, Subhas, you can see here, Barsa. Okay, you can see here Sangram, same content, it will come like this, and you can print this and you can send this. Understood or not? These things are common, these things are common, these things are common. Yes or no? So these things are varies. So this is the use of mail merge. Okay, I am going to show you another thing. So this is happened in a single file. This has printed in a single file, means this has come in a single file. All the documents, all your recipient names are come in a single file. Let me choose to open, let me choose to save in different individual participants. So what I have to do? I have to click on OK, then click on yes, then I will choose this file, then I will select the second options, save individual, then I have to choose the path here, then desktop, select, then OK, click on OK. Understood? So what will happen next? Let's see, all the documents are generated with the name. Dekho, Anil, Varsa, Subhas, Sangram. If you click these things, it will come like this. See, only single file will generate. See, only single file will generate. Understood? Dekho, Anil, this is for Varsa. Okay, so this is the work of mail merge. This is the work of mail merge, right? Have you understood these things or not? Okay, thank you.